How to use Westpac Share Trading. Follow the instructions. Go to the Westpac Share Trading website and start the account opening process. Enter your personal details and verify your identity as part of the online application. Select a settlement account to link for funding your trades. Submit the application and wait for confirmation that your account is ready. Log into the trading platform with your new account credentials. Search for a company or stock code to view its trading information. Click on the stock to see its current price, charts and other data. Enter the number of shares you want to buy and set your order type. Review the details and place your trade when you are ready. Check your portfolio to track your shares and place a sell order when needed. Thank you for watching.